Hello, and welcome to the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences at Dalhousie University's virtual Preview Days presentation. My name is Genevieve MacIntyre, and I'm the Manager of Student Recruitment, Communications and Marketing for the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, aka FAS. You'll notice I'll refer to the faculty as FAS throughout most of this presentation. That's how we typically refer to it around here, just a quicker, easier, shorter way to say it, and I'm sure you'll be saying it by the end of this presentation too. So let's get started. First of all, why pursue a BA? Why pursue a Bachelor of Arts degree? Taking courses in the arts, social sciences, and humanities helps students to develop strong critical thinking, analytical reasoning, problem solving, and communication skills. It also helps students develop creative talents that will foster their development as knowledgeable, engaged, and confident citizens and leaders. Why pursue a BA at Dal? Well, because of the range of what we offer in FAS, because life in FAS is rich, complex, and rewarding, and because you can build your degree. You can focus on your interests, and you can let yourself evolve. You can mix and match from our various departments and programs. You can choose a major and a minor, do a double major and a minor, do an honors, combined honors, add on a certificate. There's so many different ways that you can build your degree. So now we'll have a look at what our department and program offerings are here in FAS. So our humanities offerings include classics, contemporary studies, early modern studies, English, European studies, history of science and technology, philosophy, and religious studies. Dal has a close relationship with the University of King's College, and a few of these course offerings are actually available through King's. So those on this list include contemporary studies, early modern studies, and history of science and technology. Our social sciences offerings include Canadian studies, gender and women's studies, history, international development studies, law, justice, and society, political science, and sociology and social anthropology. Our languages and culture program and department offerings include Arabic studies, Chinese studies, French, German, Russian studies, Spanish and Latin American studies, and Latin and ancient Greek is offered through the classics department. We also offer minors in Indigenous studies, Italian studies, and the religious studies program offers courses in Sanskrit. Our creative arts programming include creative writing, which is offered through the English department, and the Fountain School of Performing Arts, which offers programming in cinema and media studies, music, and theater. And their theater offerings include acting, theater studies, costume studies, and stage design and technical theater. Now, to learn more about all of the different departments and programs that we have to offer in FAS, I encourage you to go to the website www.dal.ca/FAS/programs. You'll find links to all of these different offerings that we have. With hundreds of course offerings across more than a dozen departments to choose from, FAS is providing first-year students with guidance on figuring out which study areas they should pursue that will meet and pique their interests. This fall, first-year FAS students will take one or both of our faculty introductory courses, the Introduction to Humanities course and the Introduction to Social Sciences course. These classes complement each other, so students interested in both humanities and social sciences are encouraged to take both. The chief goals of FAS's first-year classes in humanities and in social sciences include to create a sense of cohort among Dalhousie FAS students through the shared experience of these introductory classes, and to give students entering the university an overall sense of what and how scholars and students actually study in various disciplines, departments, and programs. If you go to the dal.ca/FAS/programs website, on the right-hand side of that webpage, you'll find a link that will take you to further details about these courses. We also offer first-year students the option to take the DAL CAP, the Coordinated Arts Program. This is a multidisciplinary, coordinated, and structured set of courses that will provide a solid grounding for your first year. To learn more about how that program works, please also visit the link on the programs page website, on the dal.ca/programs page website. And also in FAST, we offer unique interdisciplinary minors, including Black and African Diaspora Studies, Indigenous Studies, Law, Justice, and Society, Popular Culture, and Security Studies. FAST also offers several certificates in the following study areas: Intercultural Communication, Computing and Arts and Social Sciences, Indigenous Studies, Art History and Visual Culture, Heritage Studies, Medical Humanities, and Dance and Movement. Adding a certificate onto your degree is a nice boost for it, a nice enhancement. Please check out what all of these certificates are all about from the links that are provided on the dal.ca/FAST/programs page. FAST also offers unique experiential learning opportunities so that students can gain meaningful work experience with local artists, filmmakers, politicians, journalists, authors, NGOs, and community organizations. Please visit dal.ca/FAST/EX to find out more about the FAST experiential learning programs that we offer. These offerings will help FAST students bring what they learn in the classroom out into the real world. In addition to the study abroad and exchange opportunities offered through Dalhousie's International Center, several FAST departments coordinate study abroad opportunities. And these include programs in Cuba, the Czech Republic, France, Germany, Italy, Russia, Mexico, Peru, and Spain. If you visit the DAL FAST programs page on the right-hand side towards the top, I believe, you will see a link that says Study Abroad Opportunities. And if you click on that, you'll find out more about the various FAST departments that provide these study abroad opportunities. Also, FAST's Law, Justice, and Society program, which is still relatively new, just within the past few years, it's been named by Maclean's magazine as a standout major program at Dalhousie. FAST also has several research centers, including the Center for European Studies, the Center for the Study of Security and Development, the Jean Monnet European Union Center of Excellence, and we're associated with the Michaëlle Institute of Public Policy and Governance. If you check out the research tab on the dal.ca/FAST page, you'll come to find more information about these research centers and what they can offer. Our professors engage in and teach research on so many different subjects, including artificial intelligence, ethics, immigration, world politics, development, and economy. Of course, this is only a small example of what our professors research and teach. And Halifax's current municipal poet laureate is one of our faculty members, and 3 of the 6 past poet laureates for Halifax are either FAST alumni or faculty members. Here's a small example of some of our faculty members within FAST. In the first picture, we have the chair of the English department, Carrie Dawson, pictured there with our dean, Frank Harvey. Next picture features Christopher Helland, who is a prof in sociology and social anthropology. Then there's Shantae Grant, who teaches creative writing in the English department. And she's one of the past municipal poet laureates that I mentioned in the previous slide. And in the final photo is Chris Elson, who is the chair of our French department. This is only a small example of so many of our wonderful faculty members in FAST. FAST offers students opportunities to be taught by supportive faculty members and instructors in small class sizes. It's not all lecture halls. Our professors really get to know the students, and departments within FAST make up great communities. Students have the opportunity to see and be a part of live performances. So the picture on the top right there is a photo from a past Fountain School Performing Arts production. Students have so many opportunities to socialize within FAST and to learn more about what our faculty members do outside of the classroom. This picture is from last year's FAST publication and performance launch. So these are all FAST faculty members in this photo holding books or various publications that they had published last year. So in addition to all the work they do for teaching and putting into teaching, do their additional research and writing and publishing. It's pretty amazing, actually. Students also have opportunities to travel via department coordinated field course, study abroad programs, and exchange programs, as I mentioned earlier. They have so many opportunities throughout the year to hear from acclaimed guest lecturers. There's a photo of one example we had this past year. Last fall, we had Michaëlle speak here at Dalhousie to a crowd of more than 500 people in the McGuinness Room in the Student Union building. It was really amazing. Students have the opportunities to participate in creative learning experiences and to participate in community engagement and experiential learning activities. That photo on the right there is a student that went to one of the FAST study abroad programs to Spain. We also offer FAST students access to courses, majors, minors, and honors programs in other faculties, including opportunities in the Faculty of Science, the College of Sustainability, and at the University of King's College. Minors are also available to FAST students through other faculties, including the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Health, the Faculty of Computer Science, the College of Sustainability, the Faculty of Architecture, and over at the University of King's College. FAST students can take a minor in journalism through King's. They can also access a variety of interdisciplinary minors through FAST and Science. The Dalhousie Arts and Social Sciences Society, or DAS for short, represents all students in the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. DAS acts as a forum of exchange between departmental student societies within the faculty and organizes events relative to FAST students. They are also the representative voice of FAST within the university administration and the student union. I strongly encourage you to get involved with DAS or with any of the departmental societies that you see listed there, or the societies outside of FAST that are a part of Dalhousie and Student Union as a whole. It's really, really important for peer support and to meet your fellow students, to get connections outside of the classroom and to meet new people, get involved. Joining societies will definitely enhance your university experience. That's strongly, strongly advised. So that is my brief introduction to the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences here at Dal. So thank you very much. We hope to see you on campus this fall. The photo there is the Marion McCain Arts and Social Sciences building. That is where a lot of FAST departments and classrooms are. In addition, we have some departments and classes and faculty members over at the Henry Hicks building further up on campus and in the Dalhousie Arts Center. That's where the Council of Performing Arts is. So we hope to see you around these parts in the fall. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can send an email to fast@dal.ca and your questions will be directed to the appropriate person to get back to you. And thank you very much. I hope you found some insight into what I presented to you today. So thanks a lot.